Hello guys, I am Yogesh from Professional Training Institute, and Saturday is very special day for in our institute. So we have lot of presentation that is given by our student, and all of us learn. Even I am also learning in that way. So you know why this is important? Why this type of learning is important? Because if you learn by doing yourself, then you have only one life to learn. Only in this life, whatever you can do maximum, that is only you are able to learn. But if you start learning from others' experience, then it become a multiple learnings. Okay. You no need to learn everything yourself. If somebody else is having some knowledge, just gain it, just grasp it as much as possible. So consider it one person having experience in particular topic, you just grasp that experience. Even if he spent 5 hours in that, you can gain in 10 minutes, because he is also saying important points which he learned. So you grasp as it is those points. If you feel I am alone, I am learning only some topic, X topic, consider transistor. So you will have knowledge of only transistor. But if 10 people are giving their knowledge, so all 10 will have 10 points, 10 things they learn. If you feel yourself as alone, then you will have only one knowledge. But if you consider all 10 as all 10 you are learning with the knowledge of all 10 people, then you will have 10 important technology or 10 important things that came into you. And how it will help you? 90% of time in the interview will ask, what you know? Many times it happens. I ask. When somebody is not answering at all, then I ask, okay, what do you know? What do you know, you tell. So if that time, if you say, I know this, I know this, I know this, I know this, he will say, hey, yes, I know this. And if you are able to answer question of all, it's not like only I know aeroplane also. It's not like that. When you say I know speaker, then you should tell all about speaker. How you know all about speaker? That is the time today. When somebody is speaking something, don't feel whatever he is saying, let him go, then my turn will come. It doesn't matter. Okay? You have to have a questions, you have to have a understanding such a way, if any other person is going to ask from you, it should be as good as you had done it. You should not call that person, hey, what you told that day, you told A or B? Yeah, it was B, right? Yes sir, B. You cannot do this thing. And probably in your rest of the life, you may not get chance again to read same thing. Understanding? But today you have to do such a way that like that it will permanently fit into memory. Understanding? And how it fit permanently into memory is, you have to if you have any doubt, you can make it clear. That's all. Okay. So yeah, over to my friend. So Manu, I am calling Mr. Manu. So his topic is speaker, right? So he is demonstrate us like what is a speaker, how it works, what is use of a speaker, and all other things. Over to Manu.
Okay. Hi friends, I am Manu, and today I am going to explain working of speaker. Okay. What is speaker? Just what is speaker? Speaker means it acts as transducer, means it's convert electrical energy into voice. Means, transducer also having same work. Transducers convert electrical power into electrical energy, or it's convert some energy form into another form. That is transducer. Speaker also having same principle. In speaker, so many types are there. One is coil speaker. Second one is electrostatic speaker. And third one is ribbon speaker. These are types of speaker. In this type of speaker, we are using and widely using this coil speaker. This coil speaker invented by 1915. Invented by Peter Lodge, the scientist, he discovered a coil speaker in 1915. This is a types of speaker. Now we are going to explain coil speaker. Coil speaker, as name itself said, coil speaker means coil. This is copper wire. In this copper wire, we are using one magnet. This is N and S. This is N. This is S. Speaker is working with principle of Faraday's law. Faraday's electromagnetic law. Faraday's electromagnetic law. What it means? Here one copper wire is there. This is magnet. When it magnet will like driving means will going up, down and up. Sometimes it will produce electromagnetic field. That is electromagnetic law. Electromagnetic field. It will produce electromagnetic field. That is electromagnetic field. Electromagnetic law. But in this speaker look like this is simple diagram of speaker. Here magnet. This is also called as permanent magnet. This is copper or coil. This is also called as copper wire or this is permanent magnet. This is electromagnet, and this is cone. This is cone shape. That's why it's called as cone. It's made up of any paper or material. The size of the speaker we can use cone. That's why its cone is made of paper or material. Okay. Now how it will work? How it will produce electrical energy into voice. Okay. Here is magnet. This is coil. This is cone. The surrounding of cone is jacket. It is made up of steel or iron. How it is work? Here magnet is there, north pole and this is south pole. In electromagnetic also north pole and south pole. In magnetic, same polarity will repulse the energy, means repulsion. For same type of polarity, in different type of polarity it will attract each other. Same polarity means repulsion, different type of polarity means attraction. Here different type of polarity, same polarity, then N means repulsion. It will like repulsion. This repulsion means up. This cone is moving to up. and here using spider like spring. Spring is not spring, but it is called spider. In this spider, it will move into up, means it will again push into down. That's why moving. This coil is acting like driver, up and down, up and down. Like this is coil, this is magnet. This is coil will up and down, up and down, up and down, which means it produce electromagnetic field. This is what electromagnetic law, Faraday's electromagnetic law. This is copper wire. This is plus or minus. In this is our input. You can give input like PC or laptop, mobile, any input. Connected to this
What
coil.
type of input we give to him?
Electrical means.
Electrical.
Power. Electrical
Signals.
power. In PC,
Okay.
there is input. Mobile
Okay.
is connected to this coil. Okay.
So what it do with that signal? We say I am playing some song.
Yeah.
Kola berry. So how it comes?
It's already recorded sounds in PC or TV.
Yes.
Anything. Here connecting to this positive negative supply. It transmit to this coil. Coil means copper wire. In this already electromagnetic flux is there, electromagnetic field. This already produces electromagnetic field.
No, it has two magnet or one magnet I think.
This is one magnet, sir. This is permanent magnet, only magnet.
Yes.
This coil also acts as electromagnetic. This is also polarity, yes and then.
Okay.
It will repulsion, same polarity, it will repulse the power. Repulsion. That's why it's act like up and down, up and down. In that time it will produce electromagnetic field.
Speaker.
It will produce electromagnetic field. In this field, we are also connecting this plus and minus electric power through input. In that time, it produces signal like up and down. Like this signal will produce. How much? This is speaker. It will produce this type of signal. This is air. Here receiver. Receiver means two magnet. Super lumen. In here, oscillator is a natural oscillator lumen.
What is
Oscillator.
oscillator?
In human here having the oscillator. This speaker produce energy or signal. It will here to here. That is the working principle of speaker.
So where we give this song input, we give to coil or the
Here already recorded sound is this song or any voice speech.
yes. So that we
We
give
give input to the coil.
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 Okay.
But in coil, this is in permanent magnet, this is electromagnetic magnet. This is north polarity, south polarity, north polarity, south polarity.
Okay.
The same polarity will repulse the repulsion will act. Repulsion will produce stuff. This type of repulsion it will going up. In this we are using spring like spider. Spring means it will push and pop, push and pop. Like this it will moving, coil will moving like that.
What is use of this magnet?
This magnet.
Yeah.
Repulsion, like up and down.
Okay.
It will repulse this coil. When this coil up and down, it will produce the electromagnetic field. That is Faraday's electromagnetic law. When it will produce electromagnetic field, in this we are also giving input, that is electric power. Will both combine to produce electric signal. That is the law of Faraday's electromagnetic law. This is voice signal. It will be range of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. This is voice signal frequency. This much frequency it will produce.
So how much frequency he has to produce it
20,
depends on what?
depending on the size of speaker. But it should be within 20 kHz, 20 to 20 kHz between.
Okay.
That is voice frequency.
So consider I have to generate some kilowatt signal.
Yes.
So what I have to do?
Then coil, size of coil. Which means high frequency means winding of, depending on winding of coils.
More the points winding it would be
Yeah,
more.
this is speaker.
Yeah. Can you explain what all?
This is speaker. This is input supply. This supply is connected to the here one coil is there. inbuilt this coil is there.
Okay.
This is magnet.
Ah,
This is north pole, this is south pole.
Ah.
And this is coil, inside one coil is there.
okay.
In which also north and south pole is there.
Hmm.
Same polarity, it repels the same polarity. This is magnet, this is called permanent magnet. In this inside coil is there, that is electromagnet. In that the north pole, here north pole, same polarity, it will repulse this cone,
Hmm.
repulse this cone. In that time it will up and down, it will drive this circuit. This is also called driver circuit, this cone.
Hmm.
This cone when it will up and down, that time it will produce electromagnetic field. That is called Faraday's electromagnetic law. When you give this is input from any PC, radio or TV, when it will give input, already it is having electromagnetic field. Here we can giving electric power and throw input. Both combine to produce signal. This is diaphragm. It is made up of paper or plastic. Both. Here can use both paper or plastic depending on size of the speaker. If you use plastic means not efficiency good, because of paper is good efficiency. That's why we are using here paper. This is paper. This is called cone shape cone or diaphragm. It is also called as diaphragm, made up of silver material, steel or silver. This is
Sir, what kind of input?
input through PC, radio, TV.
Which form? Analog.
No, direct digital form. Yes, input means your coil can give you mobile, earphone, mobile, PC, laptop, radio, TV, any type of. Any questions? That is application speaker, where it is used, TV, radio.
Did you prepare the other type of speaker also? How they
No,
work?
this is most widely used, that's why it is one of the most important.
Okay, you come here. I'll also take one session on this. Hi guys, I'm again. See, if you, I was observing this speaker to everyone. I was observing this speaker. So what I came to know, one thing is this is having a diaphragm, paper.
Dust cap.
This
The
one,
mirror is dust cap.
dust cap.
Dust cap.
Okay. But this produce signal, voice, right? Okay. You know what is voice signal? Anybody having doubt on that? That other day we discussed voice signal. What is voice signal? I am speaking. Yeah, vibration. Right? So when I am speaking, some air is vibrating here, and that you are able to hear. So it means if this is a speaker, he also has to do same thing. Making sense? So how he do this paper? If you see this paper, what he do? He pump. This paper goes front and back. Okay. When he go front and back, whatever air associated with it, that moves. Okay. When we say bigger speaker, so more air he can pump. What he can do, less air he can pump. You understand? That's why like his sound is, we say Lydia is not able to hear of this sound. But a big speaker, yes, her husband is also listening. It's like that. So it depends on like how much air we are pumping. That is fine, no doubt in it. One thing which you are missing is like, he also asked, I also asked, like what we give here. Okay. So what we give here is, we give a analog signal to it. We give analog signal, and that analog signal is like this. This kind of signal we give to him. Okay, and not necessarily this is a zero line. It can be pulled up to somewhere. It may be some 200, 300 of millivolt. This take only millivolt signal. Millivolt. How much input it will take?
Millivolts.
It will take in millivolt range. I not studied. Sorry if I'm not prepared. but I am expecting that level of knowledge we should transfer. I think it will take in millivolt range the input, and when we give millivolt signal, the signal will looks like that. It can be more also, I am not exactly aware of, but when that signal comes, if you see here closely, this two wire is inside that they are having one another wire. I don't know I am able to show here or not. Yeah, inside that one wire is there, and that wire is touching this paper, you see. One wire is going and touching that black paper, both from both the sides.
What kind of paper?
I know. That is the key. Because Manu, if you see inside that there is no coil.
Coil is copper wire.
Yeah, where it is?
Inside.
See and tell me where it is.
This is copper wire.
Which one?
Inside.
No. I broke a speaker.
It's connected to copper wire.
That is copper wire. That I know. No. See, okay. I'll tell some story. Okay, this paper is a special type of paper. This is a carbonized paper. Carbonized paper. It means it's having a capability to conduct. It's having a capability to conduct. Okay. When I give this type of signal through here, and you seen this two wire is connected to this paper. Everyone seen?
Yeah.
This wire is basically connected to this paper. Everybody seen this thing? You want to see? Connected, right? Okay. So this wires is connected to this paper. We seen this thing. Now what happened? When I give signal, this type of signal.
Sir, but in wire we can only transfer only digital signals.
No. This is analog signal. Okay. So when I give this type of signal, to it, so what happens is this paper, when this signal goes upside, then this paper is generating one field around it, because this is a conducting paper. This is not a simple paper. This is conducting paper. Due to that field, here is a magnet. This also behaving as a magnet. This is also one magnet. Either it will attract or repel. So when this paper attract, it create vacuum, and when it repel, the air will push. So in this full song, this paper, I think had you seen the speaker? When speaker is blowing, it vibrating like boom, 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 boom. That's what he is going to do. He is doing like this. And why he is doing like this? Because whatever signal we are giving to him, that signal, he is producing one field, and that field is, he is either attracting or repelling. So see how magic it is, how much magic it is. What is the great use of physics here? You understand it? See, this is magnet, this is electrical signal, this is paper. This magnet is attracting paper, repelling paper, attracting, repelling, attracting, repelling. Due to that, the way it attracts and repel, it producing the sound. Here I will tell one more thing. Had you people seen the gramophone? You may be heard, but you may not seen. You seen how it works? Okay.
That coil there, put one.
No, that's not. I had seen, one of my friend is having a shop here. It's very antique shops he is having. No, don't sell it, pay attention. So that kind of some copper, that speaker is there, copper speaker is there. Inside there is nothing, empty. From here, one some ring, some bowl kind of thing is connected. That also hollow, nothing is there. Nothing is there. From that, one like a pointer coming out. That is also nothing, like a needle only. Means this is empty, nothing is there. This is empty, nothing is there. This is nothing, just needle. And then we are having a one disc. Disc is also nothing. Disc is like our CD disc having more data. That disc is nothing, just the tracks, nothing else. Only tracks. You know what is happening? When this disc is rotating, for rotating also they are not having any motor or something. They put the key, they store the electromagnetic energy and then CD automatically rotate. No motor, nothing. Okay. So when that needle here, it do like this. Because of that, in that disc, either it will be long time, it will be like touching, or long time like this, or short time touching, short time high. So either it is doing like this. When it is on surface, it move like this. So sound is coming. And when it go down, the tuck, dholak sound kind of coming. You understand it? So no power needed, no battery needed, or no cell needed. Nothing is needed. And no any technology, of course very high-fi technology, but nothing, no circuits, no electronic circuit in it. Making sense what I am saying? That needle when it hit, either it will be scratching, or it is hitting, or something is doing, depend on the song. And amazing sound is coming out from it, amazing sound. It's all happening due to this. He either hit or scratch like that only. If you have to give dum, then it's short dots will be there. So it will be like this. It's like that on the CD. I am impressed. A similar kind of thing we are using in a speaker also. Because gramophone, making sense what I am saying? Gramophone phones, when we was using that time, power was not much available. Power was not much. Okay. Yeah, I am not sure. Only you have to confirm me what I am saying. But as per my knowledge, whatever I am saying is true. I had opened this speaker earlier. Not this. Like this, I broke many speakers. When you open this, no coil inside it. If you remove this, this is a like this thick round magnet, this one. Okay. Inside that one, metal ring is there like this, like this much big. We play with that. I don't know what is property of that, but it is sitting inside here, right at the center. It may be the material which is attracting the magnetic fields, in my opinion. That material which I am talking, which is sitting in the center here, that material may be collecting the power of magnet. Okay, so that maximum force we will get here. Making sense? See, this is magnet. This is magnet. It will give field to everywhere. You understand? If we are having a round magnet, he will also give field here also, here also, here also. But if we put something in the center, then he will pull all the power. Making sense? So all magnetic field is centered here. All magnetic field is centered here. So when then he push, more power he give here. That is what my understanding is. You have
different type of speaker, ring speaker.
I don't know. I am talking of this speaker.
I am explaining about coil speaker. Coil means
Yeah, there may be other type of speaker. I am not saying what you said is wrong, but for this I can say what my understanding is. And my understanding is meeting also. Meeting in the sense means it's okay, I can justify also. Okay, fine. Yeah guys, thanks for watching. We will have another video in few couple of minutes. So what is transistor, right? Okay, so we will have another video in a 5 minutes, that is on the transistor. Okay, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.